You might recall last Tuesday I showed you some pictures of Tim Wills' 1938 Desoto. This week we'll take another look along with more gorgeous Christmas displays. And here's the owner, Tim. Let's go along for a drive with him. That was fun. Thanks, Tim. Now we go to the home of Connie Hollern. Connie recently did her fireplace over. She whitewashed it, very brave. Connie's a world traveler and she is an incredible decorator. Thanks for letting us see your home, Connie. Remember the incredible home of Timothy Stiner and Stephen Graffius? We visited them last week, and this week we're going to take a look at some of the outside photos of the home. I'm so glad you joined along in visiting some of the homes and customs of my friends, and I wish you the merriest of Christmases. Thank you so much for watching today. If you like this video, how about giving it a thumbs up and also share it with your friends? If you haven't subscribed, you'll want to do that so you don't miss anything. Visit us at lavintagedecor.company, and on Instagram we're lavintagedecor, and on Facebook we're lavintagedecor Altoona. Stay well.